Hi everyone, want to write a prompts that get better, smarter AI result? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a powerful prompts using the Google AI Studio. So let's get started. First, head over to the Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. Then click the Create New Prompt to begin. Then select the Gemini model you want to work with like Gemini 1.5 Pro, and this affects how your prompt is interpreted. Then, write a clear prompt. Think like you're giving instructions to a smart intern. You need to be clear, specific, detailed, and more. Like for this example prompt here. Use a structure that provide context. Like for example, you're a next planner for the travel planner. You need to be specific and ask for a format. Then use a variables for testing. You can add a variable like destinations or topic to reuse the prompt with different values. Then after that, you can hit submit and read the model's response. Tweak your prompt if the tune, the length, and the detail isn't what you want because the small changes make a big difference. Then for the bonus tip, you can add examples to guide the model. You can also use tone instructions. You can be friendly or concise and chain prompts. Just use output from one prompt as input for another. And that's it. That's how you create a powerful prompt in Google AI Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.